Hello children. Now we are in the earlier video I have introduced the properties of quadrilateral and types of quadrilateral. So before solving this exercise 3.3, let us revise what are the quadrilaterals and what are the properties of quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals are there is a polygon. Quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides. Quadrilateral is a polygon with a four side. It has four vertices and all the four vertices lies on the same plane. So this is about the quadrilateral and types of quadrilateral. I have already introduced in the previous videos. The main type of quadrilaterals are parallelogram, kite. First one is parallelogram, second one is kite, and third one is trapezium. Now we are studying about the parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram, which I have already explained you how to we have proved the properties. So let us revise the properties quickly. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite side of parallelogram are equal on the basis of the side. This is the property based on the side. Opposite angles are equal of the parallelogram and adjacent angles are supplementary in the parallelogram. That means sum of the adjacent angle is 180 degree and diagonals bisect each other. All these property we have already proved. Now let us see the adjacent angle, elements of parallelogram. What are the elements of parallelogram? So let us see what is adjacent angle. See, the marked angles are the adjacent angle. Suppose we give the name to this parallelogram A, B, C, D. So marked angle is the pair of adjacent angle. Pair of adjacent angle कौन कौन से हैं यहाँ पर? Pair of adjacent angles. कौन कौन से पेयर्स और हो सकते हैं? फर्स्ट पेयर मैं लिख देती हूँ आपके लिए. फर्स्ट पेयर इज एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी. सेकेंड पेयर है एंगल बी एंड सी, एंगल बी एंड सी. एंड थर्ड पेयर है एंगल सी एंड डी, एंगल सी एंड एंगल डी. एंड फोर्थ पेयर है आपका एंगल डी एंड एंगल ए. So in this way, these are the adjacent angle and the sum of the adjacent angle in the parallelogram is 180 degree. Now adjacent sides. First of all, we give the name to the parallelogram A, B, C, D. We are talking about the adjacent sides. So these two sides are, first pair I am writing here, adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. Here first pair I am writing for you, DA and AB, side DA and AB. These are the two adjacent sides. In these two sides there is a common vertices A. Likewise the second pair is there of adjacent side AB and BC. AB and BC. These are to the adjacent side. And third pair I am writing here, BC and CD, side BC and CD. These are the adjacent side. And fourth pair is CB and DA, CD and DA, CD and DA, CD and DA. All these are the adjacent sides. Now opposite angle is very easy. First of all, give the name to the parallelogram. Suppose this is ABCD, parallelogram ABCD. It has four angles. So angle, pair of opposite angle. Yeah, opposite angles. Opposite angles. There are two pairs of opposite angle, angle A and C, angle A and angle C. Second pair of adjacent angle, opposite angle is angle D and B, angle D and angle B. These are the pair of opposite angle. Now the pair of opposite sides, A, B, C, D. This is a parallelogram ABCD. And what are the pair of opposite side? first pair AB and DC. AB, side AB and DC and DC. These are the pair of opposite side. Second one is AD and BC. AD and BC. These are the pair of opposite sides. On the basis of these properties and on the basis of these elements, we are going to solve the exercise 3.3. So question number 1, given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition and property used. So before starting the exercise,